is up? It's your girl Jessica. Welcome back to my channel again. Today's video I'm going to be doing a mermaid look for this Halloween. I'm super excited to show you guys. So if you guys want to know how I did this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys with the other eye. I'm going to be using this turquoise green as my transitional shade, and I'm just going to be blending that above the crease. Okay, so I'm going to be grabbing my BEBELLA Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be grabbing these two purple shades, and I'm going to be placing that into our outer corner and working my way through the crease. So I really want to deepen up the socket very well with this purple, just to intensify the look once we have added the glitter. So I'm going to be cleaning up the eyeshadow evenly with a clean Morphe brush, just to smooth out any harsh lines on the eyeshadow. Okay, on to the glitter. We are going to be using the NYX Glitter Brilliance in Crystal, and I'm going to be placing a little bit of that NYX primer into our lid just for the glitter to stick. And just packing that glitter into our lid. After we're done with our glitter, I'm going to be getting my BEBELLA Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be getting this purple dark shade, and I'm going to be placing that into our outer corner and just intensifying the color with the glitter now. Jumping into our lower lash line, I'm going to be using the same dark purple shade and just placing that right into our lower lash line. Jumping into our JACLYN Hill palette, I'm going to be grabbing the turquoise shade and just adding that color underneath the purple. Alright guys, I'm just going to retouch a little bit and place the fishnets, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the fishnets are on, and we're going to be pulling that down, and I know we kind of look funny, but the endless results will be amazing. So I'm just going to be grabbing this turquoise shade, and I'm just going to be starting off putting it into our forehead and pressing it down. Okay, so I'm going to be using this purple shade, and I'm going to put that above the green and just working my way up to the forehead. All right, so the fish scales are done. So now that we're done with our scales, I'm going to be jumping in with our eyeliner and mascara. Okay, so I'm going to be popping some lashes. I'll be right back. And here we are now. So I'm going to jump in with our highlight, and I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbone and nose just to add a little glow and a wet effect as well. And if you guys are interested on the mermaid accessories, I actually got them at Walmart. So if you guys like them, you guys go check them out. Jumping into our lips, I'm going to use the NYX Cosmic Metals and the color Astroid Aura. I love these liquid lipsticks. They're just so amazing and very metallic-y. Alright guys, so this is the finished result, my makeup mermaid look for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys enjoy your Halloween. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and push that notification for my future videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Love you.